are a returning viewer or subscriber, welcome back. If you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for taking the time to check out my channel. Thank you for just hanging out with me today. My name is Lizzie. The name of my YouTube channel is Lizzie Luxury. Lizzie Luxury is your one-stop channel for everything beauty, fashion, glamour, and lifestyle. If you have passion, love, interest in maybe one or all of the subjects, you have come to the right place. Please make yourself comfortable, get you a glass of wine or a glass of champagne, because today I have another hot product to review for you guys. I am excited about this product, I'm excited about this review, and I am hoping you guys are going to enjoy this review. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends to help my channel grow. Also, do not forget to turn on that notification bell so each time when I upload a new video, you would be the first to know. Without any delay, I'm going to jump straight into this review. So what I got in my hands came in this beautiful, colorful box. As you can see, on the front, it is none other than Dolce and Gabbana. Yes, Dolce and Gabbana. Dolce and Gabbana is an Italian high-end luxury fashion house designer. The company Dolce and Gabbana was founded in 1985. They are one of the most sought-after brands on the market and in the whole world. Their brand has that immediate recognition because of their logo. Yes, people love Dolce & Gabbana. They just make some of the most amazing products. The Mediterranean-inspired design and their luxury silhouettes are the mainstay of the brand Dolce & Gabbana. So I'm just gonna get straight into this review for you guys. We got all our little paperwork. We got the envelope. Of course, you all know what is on the inside. Your invoice, return policy, thank you note, and all that good stuff. We have our dust bag. Of course, on the front, it says Dolce & Gabbana. Kind of looks small though. It should just, I'm sure it just is big enough for both shoes. And here we have our shoes. And this is the Dolce and Gabbana Sorrento slip-on sneakers. Dolce and Gabbana Sorrento. This design is called Sorrento. It is so beautiful. The Sorrento design is classic, it's elegant, it is sophisticated. You guys can see. Oh, like this. It's kind of backwards. On the left side of the sneaker, it says Dolce and on the top here. You got that contrast logo print, Dolce and then on the right side you have Gabbana. You got Dolce and Gabbana. Dolce and Gabbana. Beautiful, beautiful. You also have that Dolce and Gabbana logo right here on the back. You guys can see. This is so classic. Very classic. It has a geometric sole. I'm gonna show that to you shortly. Geometric sole. Beautiful. Black and white on the sole. And it says Dolce and Gabbana, made in Italy. Yes, this is made in Italy. Beautiful. As you can see, it has 3 different colors. Of course, we have the red color, which is dominant. We have the black and we have white. It just gives the sneakers a very, very beautiful finish. That contrast is so pretty. I love it. I love it. The front is described as almond shape. We got an almond shape front here. Almond shape. We have the logo print tab back here. Is to help you slide the shoes on easily. Pull back and then just slide it on. Beautiful. This is well crafted. I love the shoes. So spectacular. I'm just taking out that paper wrap. As you can see, the top fabric here is a stretch mesh fabric. Stretch mesh. Or stretch knit fabric. Either way, same thing. It is designed to give you a very, very comfortable feel when wearing these sneakers. These sneakers would add sophistication, elegance to any outfit or any look. Yes. Won't you agree with me? Well crafted, beautiful, just so classy. I love it. It looks so contemporary, modern, urban, you name it. These sneakers, in my opinion, are just a true luxury statement piece. A luxury statement piece. Beautiful, beautiful sneakers. I love it. It also comes in black and white. I purchased these sneakers for my husband as a gift. I truly think he deserves the sneakers. He loves red. He loves red and black. So he got the sneakers in his favorite colors. He is going to be stepping out in style in these sneakers. So pretty. You can get the sneakers from Saks Fifth Avenue, Nordstrom, Bloomingdale's, Dolce and Gabbana online boutique. I think all of the major department stores, all of them carry these sneakers. They make them narrow, so just be mindful. the design is narrow, so you want to go one full size up with this particular sneakers. I am not sure about the rest of the Dolce Gabbana footwear, but the recommendation for these sneakers is to go one size up in order to be comfortable. You don't want them to be too tight, so just follow their recommendation. Love the sneakers. And the good thing is this is a unisex sneakers, so it's for women and men. Yes, beautiful job, well done. These sneakers retails for $645. There's a price here on the front. I'm gonna show you guys. You can see. Right there. So I'm just gonna, the dust bag just looks really small, so I just want to try and see, am I missing one side of the dust bag or not? It's just, it fits just right. Okay, they look small, but it's the right size. Okay, so this sneakers, like I said, I got it for my husband as a gift, and I think if you were looking for a gift for someone that is special to you, this would make a very good gift. I think anybody would love this sneakers. Like I said, it comes in black and white. Just remember to go one size up. Yes. And this is the end of this review. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Again, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Please stay tuned. I have more videos that I'm going to be uploading for you guys. Again, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for all your support. I really appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you very much. Bye.